Identity management is all about reducing friction. OnePassword showed how integrated solutions can help reduce friction that users feel when they're trying to authenticate to systems. More importantly, centralized identity management means smaller attack surfaces, and things like shared passwords and logins, or even SSH key sharing, can have an impact on that. Having a robust infrastructure leads to happier users and better overall hygiene. Anyone who's ever used SSH keys to log into a remote server knows that if you're able to get a hold of those, there's no prompt or login. You are immediately authenticated. And if someone is looking for those kinds of keys or other keys in the system, they know that if they can find them and purloin them, then what you get out of it is someone who can trigger an attack and you might not even know what's going on. And there is this constant push and pull in the industry. Do we want to use centralized identity management? Do we want to have something more distributed? Do we want to make this something that the enterprise security admins have more purview over, or do we want to leave it up to the users to implement new functionality and features, such as Passkeys, which are probably inherently more secure than your average run-of-the-mill password system, but do require different kinds of setups in order to be able to manage them effectively like you would from any other kind of enterprise solution. It's important to understand that you have to challenge your users and understand the way that they're using the systems before you can implement one of these kinds of systems to deal with the never-ending sprawl of passwords. And you have to make sure that you're using good hygiene. And I'm not just talking about setting your passwords to expire every 90 days. I'm talking about keeping track of what's out there, how often your users are changing their passwords and what they're changing them to, or encouraging other kinds of multi-factor authentication like biometrics and or authenticator apps. Because if you don't use them in concert with your known secrets like passwords, you're going to find yourself quickly getting violated when the attackers who have more advanced technical means are on top of you and trying to get the things that matter to you the most.